art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Fun Time Freddy from Friday Night at Freddy's. All right, here's Freddy over here. We're gonna put his head here, big bear belly here, his waist, his trunk. Here's one leg, one foot. Here's another leg, another foot. We've got an arm with a microphone here. I have another arm here, and he's holding like this rabbit thing. Or maybe it's another bear, or I'm not sure what it is. Okay, here we go, kids. So we're gonna start with a little line right here like so, a little oval. Then we're gonna draw a line up, a line coming down, and a line coming across. Actually, I want this to be more up like this. There we go, I like that better. Okay, then from that, we're gonna draw a little line coming down. We're gonna draw a line coming over this way, and another line coming over this way, and this is gonna be bigger and this is smaller because this is showing the side of him. So now we're gonna draw a circle with another circle, and a circle with another circle, and then we're gonna draw two rectangles for his eyebrows, and we're gonna draw a great big upside down U, and then inside that we're gonna draw a circle or part of a circle with another circle, and then in here you see more of the circle with another circle. All right, then we've got an oval right here for his nose, and another line coming down, and then we're gonna draw a line coming around and back up, over and back up, and then we have a circle here for his little cheekies, and then we have another circle. We have another line coming around here and there we go. There is that part. Then he's got his little bear teeth. I don't want to go to the dentist. Then we're gonna draw a line back here. It's gonna come around, and then it's gonna come around and come back here like that. And then inside that, we're gonna put his bottom teeth. I would hate to work on bear teeth. That would be scary. Then down here, we're gonna draw a line down, over, up. Same thing on this side, and there is his head. Then we're gonna draw a squarish kind of thing here, a triangle here, a triangle here that you only see the bottom part of, and there's his bow tie. Then we're gonna draw a line coming down, back over so it comes down, and it kind of V's in the middle just slightly, and then it's gonna come back up and meet up here. And then we've got a circle here that looks like maybe it's a speaker, and two buttons for his suit. Then there's a line here. It's gonna come around, come up, come up. All right, and then we have the top part here that kind of comes down. Okay, because this is like purple, and then this is like tannish. Okay, then we have another line here for the top of his arm. It's gonna come down, diagonal, back up. And then we have a little triangle here, Then we have another line that comes there, and another line that comes here. And then we've got that crazy rabbity thing with a line coming across and up. And then we have a arch in the middle of it with a little button. And then he too is wearing a bow tie. There's triangles. And this one's got a line coming down, across, back up. And then we've got a line here, or a circle here. And we've got 3 ovals here. And then we're gonna draw a line around all of that for his paw. That is a big paw. Okay, then we're gonna draw the bottom of the mouth. Okay, so it just comes like that. It looks like a banana. Some little teethers. Then we have a line here with an oval. It's gonna go straight and then up, straight and then up. And then we've got some little teethers here. And then we've got a line that comes around, up, around, like that. And we've got some circles here, circles here, circles for the eyes, like that. And then we've got a circle, kind of like an N with another N. And then we have some lines in the middle of that where it's lighter. All right, what is he missing? Let's see. Oh yeah, the side of his face. There we go there. There we go here. And then he's got a little arm coming up with a little triangle paw and some very little paws. Let's see if I can do it better on this side. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, this one should have been maybe a little more kind of down. Okay, there's the puppet. Whew. All right, then for this side, we're gonna draw a line coming up like that, which is purple. A line coming down, which is purple. And then we're gonna draw a line down, back up straight, across. Then we're gonna draw a line coming up, another line coming up, and it's getting skinny here. And we're gonna draw a little curved line, and then we're gonna draw his fingers, okay? We got this. Oval, 2 ovals, 3, actually they look like C's, 4, and then we're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4 for where he's bending his fingers. And then we're gonna draw a little thing coming down. That's right, that's the mic. Then we're gonna draw some diagonal lines, curvy line, big curvy line for the microphone. Put some diagonal lines in it. Drop the pen. That wasn't so hard. Okay, then we have his trunks. So they're gonna go down, diagonal, across, back up. Okay, then comes his legs. So we're gonna have some thick, bare legs. There's 1. There's 2. And then we go up, across, across, back down. Then we got some bare kneecaps. We're just gonna draw ovals, ovals. Now for the calves, go down, down, There's a line down the middle. Down. They're curvy, guys, so don't make them straight. Just like that. Then we're gonna make a line down here. What, Mrs. Mertz? Okay, just like that. Then we're gonna do 1 rectangle, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, squeeze that little thing in there. All right, then we're gonna draw a line coming back here, line coming back here, a line coming back here, just like that. And then he's got some fashion boots on, like so. All right, and then we're gonna draw some more little lines here because they're like little rectangle toes. Okay, on this side, we're gonna draw a line down, comes forward diagonally, comes back up, around, back down, and then it's gonna go diagonally back this way. And then here's his fashion booties with the purple part. And we're gonna draw a line down. Run out of room, but I did it. Okay, and then this one goes back. All right, and then we're gonna draw back here, and there you go. Fun Time Freddy. Woohoo! If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.